The first command in the list is ipconfig. So open up the command prompt on your system. Don't worry about the black screen. What you have to do is open the command prompt and type ipconfig. So what it does is that I press enter here. It will give the list of the IP address of your system and also of an IP address of a network device, typically router connected to your system. So this is the way you find out IP address of a system using ipconfig. The second command in the list is ipconfig/+dns. So whenever you change the DNS setting of your system, okay, it doesn't take effect immediately. Okay, you have to flush the DNS and then it will take an effect immediately. Okay, so I press exit. The third command in the list is ping. Okay, ping is a command to ensure you have or troubleshoot if you have any network connectivity issues or reaching the destination. So I say ping, I give a site name. Now it has started the ping command. What it shows is that the request is timed out, which means there's definitely some problem reaching this site. So it will keep on continuing till it finds till it finds a connectivity issue is resolved. Okay, I try to do a ping to another site. Okay, now here you can see is that the request is has gone and reply is instantaneous, which means there is absolutely no problem reaching this particular site. Alright, I say exit. We move on to the next command. The next command is rather a flavor of a ping command, where you not only try to reach the destination, but it will also show you what all hops does it takes and how many hops does it take to reach that particular site. Rather, it's a route that it takes to reach the destination. So if you see the third row, it is taking some time. I believe this request will get timed out. Let's see. The metric is generally in a millisecond. So finally the request is timed out. It will continue till you manually terminate this command. Alright, I say Ctrl C and the command is manually terminated. I press exit. The fourth command in the list is shutdown. Okay, if you want to create a shortcut to shut down your system immediately, this is a command to be used. The command is shutdown/s/t and 0. Okay, to create a shortcut, you can name the shortcut or whatever you want, keep as it is, and say finish. Once you finish, it will create a shortcut on your system. Okay, so whenever you want to shut down your system, just double click it, it will do the rest. We move on to the next command. The next command is the fifth command, which is SFC Scan now. The SFC command is a system file checker command, which is generally used to find if there are some problems in your file system, whether it has got corrupted. The command will verify and do the corrections required. Right, so I press enter. It is giving me an error saying that you have to run this command as an administrator. So I press exit. I do an exit. I open the command prompt as an administrative privilege. I run this as an administrator. Once I run this as an administrator, again you have to type the command SFC/scan now. I press enter. Now it has shown the command is run successfully. The scan has begun. It is progressing 3%, 4%, 5%, and so on. Right, it will continue. It will take some time to do a full system scan depending on the system. Right, I say exit. Move on to the next command. The next command in the list is netstat. The netstat is nothing but the network statistics. If I do netstat -an, it will show all the open connections on my system along with the port name. So if I keep pressing enter, it will continue to show the connections on the system with the associated port, if any. Right, so this is the way we find active connections. I press exit. Right, we move to the next command. The next command is nslookup, which is usually used to find IP address associated with the site name. So in this case, nslookup, you can see there's an IP address there. If you find this video useful and helpful, do give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.